For muscle growth, several vitamins and minerals can play a supportive role alongside a balanced diet and proper training. Here are some key nutrients to consider. 1. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption for bone health and plays a crucial role in muscle function. It enhances muscle strength and may aid recovery. Sources: sunlight exposure, fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, fortified foods, like dairy and cereals, and supplements. 2. B vitamins. Z6-pyridoxine, involved in protein metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. It helps convert stored carbohydrates and proteins into energy. B12 cobalamin, essential for red blood cell formation and energy production. It supports nerve health and is crucial for overall metabolic processes. Folate BN9, important for DNA synthesis and repair, and helps in the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen to muscles. Sources: meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. 3. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects against oxidative stress, especially after intense exercise. It also plays a key role in collagen synthesis, essential for joint and connective tissue health. Sources: citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, and broccoli. 4. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals produced during exercise. It may help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Nuts, especially almonds, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils, like sunflower and safflower oil. 5. Magnesium, vital for muscle contraction, energy production, and regulating electrolyte balance. It can help prevent cramps and promote relaxation after workouts. Nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy green vegetables, and legumes. 6. Zinc, essential for protein synthesis and hormone production, including testosterone, which is important for muscle growth. It also supports the immune system, aiding recovery from workouts. Sources: meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, nuts, and whole grains. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Function: though not a vitamin, these fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery after exercise. Sources: fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fish oil supplements. While these nutrients can support muscle growth, they should be consumed as part of a well-rounded diet that includes adequate protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. If you suspect deficiencies or are considering supplements, it's best to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Thanks for watching.